Are you cold calling sellers and getting rejected over and over? Do you feel like you're talking too much or not getting the info you need? Or maybe you're stuck wondering, what should I even say to motivated sellers? In this video, I'm going to break down the real truth about cold calling, what works, what doesn't, and how to actually get sellers to open up without sounding like a desperate telemarketer. Stick around because I'm going to give you battle-tested strategies I've learned from decades in the trenches, flipping houses, generating free leads, and structuring creative deals with no bank loans and no credit checks. Champ, I've been an entrepreneur since 9th grade in high school and a real estate investor since 2006. And all that time, I've never borrowed money from a sticky banker or held a resume job. Today's lesson is about cold calling and how to use it to build a 6-figure pipeline, even if you're broke or just getting started. Let's jump right in. There are 2 levels to cold calling in real estate. Level 1, you're gathering intel. Think of it like digging for gold. You're not selling, you're not pitching, you're asking strategic questions and collecting data. Level 2, you're negotiating. This is where you're trying to ink the deal, lock in the terms, and close. Big mistake. Too many rookies start negotiating before they have the full picture. Remember, you can't close a deal you don't understand, so stay in level 1 until you've collected enough information. Here are the biggest cold calling mistakes that will kill your leads. Talking too much. You're there to listen, not impress. The more you talk, the less you learn. Flat energy. Your voice can't sound dead. It needs rhythm. Highs, lows, pauses. Sellers should feel you through the phone. Be alive. Be curious. Bringing your last rejection to your next call. Every no is one step closer to a yes. Stay positive. Keep digging. If you're getting discouraged, you're better off hanging up, taking a walk, and rebooting your mind. Pro tip. That's actually why I created Reboot, my personal mindset reset for hustlers like you who feel stuck, overwhelmed, or like you're spinning your wheels. If you want to rewire your brain and dominate your day, start your reset at myrealestatedojo.com. Reboot. When the seller answers, your first words matter. You need a hook, something that grabs attention. Example. Hi, I'm calling about your property on 123 Main Street. So now their brain lights up. How does this person know that? Use private info when you can. Their name, address, or mention something specific from their listing. That creates curiosity and keeps them on the line. When a seller says something that sounds crazy, like their 100K house is worth 300K, don't argue. Why? Because your job in level 1 is to keep the pipeline open. Think of information like water flowing through a hose. The moment you argue, that hose kinks up, and now you're getting nothing. Stay neutral. Nod and say, got it. Later, when it's time to structure the deal, you can use that info. But first, you need it all. Real estate is not just math. It's people, it's stress, it's emotion. You need to be part artist, part mathematician. You're solving problems, not just plugging numbers into a calculator. Listen, empathize, stay calm under pressure. This business rewards creative problem solvers who can think on their feet. Want to control the conversation? Ask questions. Oh, how long have your tenants lived there? What kind of repairs have you done? Can you tell me more about the mortgage situation? Questions give you the steering wheel. Bad listening is deadly. If they say they have tenants and 3 minutes later you ask, do you live there? Game over. You're done. You just told them you don't care. This is where real money is made, building trust. Rapport is not about talking sports or weather. It's about connecting on what they care about. If they mention their cat just died, don't skip it. Go deeper. Oh man, I'm so sorry. I lost my dog Cowboy a few years ago. Now they know you're human, not just another shark. That's how you win people and unlock their real pain points. If you're watching this thinking, man, I want to learn real estate, but I'm broke and I need money now, that's exactly why I created the New Flip. It's a smart game that teaches you how to flip stuff, like bicycles, to make money today while learning negotiation and deal spotting. It's how I made my first money without a 9-to-5. Grab it now at thenewflip.com. Cold calling is one of the most powerful tools in real estate. It's free, it's scalable, and it works if you do it the right way. Talk less, ask questions, listen hard, stay positive, build rapport, stay neutral, control the convo, solve problems. If you do this, you will get deals, period. Always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you'd ever imagined. Rumi, don't take no for an answer. Much love and peace. This is Mr. No Fluff with my Real Estate Dojo. Ready to elevate your hustle? Join our free community. Connect with real estate investors and business owners just like you. www.mrnofluff.com down group. Unlock creative financing secrets, free sub to course. Learn how to buy houses without banks, credit, or big cash, www.mrnofluff.com. Then click on Start Now.